This is a deck off of a mower we're fixing for a guy. That wheel's broken. A nice little hole there. Hole there. Hole there. That's cracked. Hole there. Hole there. Hole over there. This is what years of rust will do to your decks. And idler assembly shot. It's off of a 93 Lowe's, which is basically the same as a Craftsman. It's actually made by MIP. I'll show it to you. Maybe the fan must have died recently, because now it don't work. Let's make a video on this fan too. Stay out.
Who's watching?
You see the breaker on the side there?
Yeah.
Not the one in the middle, but the one next to it.
Right here?
No, one over. Yeah, flip it off. Okay, that shuts that fan off. Anyways, here's the mower. It's a... Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there, shit.
It can get out. If it builds a nest, I'll shoot it down with carb cleaner. But transmissions ended up having to be replaced because this top bearing is wallowed out. Yeah, I know the transmissions, even though it's apart, it's actually fit together the right way. Hush, David. But the mower is made by American Yard Products, Highway 33 in Cameron Road, Orangeburg, South Carolina, 29116. It's a 93 model with the 18 twin Briggs. Yeah. Flimsy, plasticky hood. Ooh, I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, the whole mower just rocks. Yeah, this is one perfect mower. Let's go ahead and put it in gear. Why ain't it driving? Why isn't it? Yeah, little comedy there. Ooh. But anyways, this camera makes the orange look bright orange, but trust me, it's not bright orange. It's some orange. Anyways.